Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. So today I'm going to share you a tutorial. Actually this tutorial is based on question from one of our friend here who are in CANVA Design Circle, Paras Ali. So he is asking about how can we create this kind of animation in CANVA. Can we do this one? Yes, absolutely. We can do this one in CANVA and it can be done 100%. I guarantee you it can be done in CANVA. Alright, so you don't have to use other application to execute this kind of design. Alright, so before we continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siu Sarma. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So for those who are not yet having CANVA Pro account, guys, I suggest you to upgrade your account. This link is official link from CANVA because I was affiliated with CANVA. So the benefit of having CANVA Pro is everything you can access, alright, and it can accelerate your work. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoy this tutorial and now watch me work. Alright, first of all, this is all the elements that I use in here. There are 4 items in here. One is abstract shapes. So this one, abstract shapes, you can get it from, alright, so this is the name here, abstract shapes, and then you just enter it. After typing and enter it, and then you will get in here. It will comes with the brown color, but don't worry about it. You can change the color, become pink. Yes, become pink. So if you like to copy the hex code of this color, here. Yeah, the hex code is a hex code F12CC6. And the second one is circle. I got this circle. This one is from element. It's line shapes. Yeah, just click on it and I make it smaller. Yeah, you can resize, become smaller, and make sure when you make it smaller, it's just big as this logo. Yeah, later on. And I change become white. And the third one is line. I just click this line over here and then I arrange the size of this one, okay, and I can extend it. Yeah, this one is extendable, so don't worry, you can change this color as well, become white. Yeah, okay, so this one you can use it, and this one is sizable. You can make it smaller or bigger, thin or thicker. Alright, so the reason why I use this one, because this animation later on here, the white one here, there's 2 lines in here, so that's why I use that one. I can make it bigger and smaller. Okay, so that's the third one. And the last one is where can I get this BMW? So I tried to search here in element, but actually it doesn't. Yeah, there is, but it doesn't seems like. So I got it from here. You just scroll down here. There's a more in here. You just click this more, and then it will, and scrolling down, and you will find out here this iconscout. Iconscout in here is, if you are not yet connect, you just log in with your CANVA account, and you just type BMW and enter, and you will get this one. Okay, so when you get it, you just click on it and then it will appear on your working area. So this logo exactly like this, alright, and even though the shadow. Alright, so I choose the correct one. Alright, so this is all the information about the element that I use in here. And later on, if you like to get this information about this element, I will just put on this video. You can get it from this video description, and you can copy paste and you can use it, and if you like to make the same one like I did. Alright, so guys, the first thing we need to do is to have this whole transparent. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one, and actually I did this one already here. Yeah. Okay, so this one I'll just put in here, and okay, once you group it, yeah, if this one is right there, and you can group it, and now we need to download it. How to download it? You just click this share. There's a lot of updates in here in CANVA right now, but you just click here, this share. You don't have to worry, and they're inside in there, download. After download, you click download. This one you need to change become PNG, and then click this transparent, check transparent background, and then choose page, which page are you working on. After you page and done, and then download it, because I did mine already, so I don't have to go there anymore. Now I'm going to my library, because I have already on my library. I will just get this blob in here, the one that I downloaded, and I upload back again here, and edit image and background remover. You can see in here, if you are Canva Pro users, you can access this one, but if you are not yet, so please upgrade. So that's the benefit why I suggest you guys to have Canva Pro users, so that it's easy for you. And then when you do this one, as a background remover, it will remove this white color at the front one, the foreground, and become transparent. All right, so this one is visible, the background is visible. Now we get this one is transparent, but we need to cover this one. To cover this one, we can have assist again from this blob. Okay, I will just copy paste until it get cover everything. Yes, until the green one disappear. All right, so once this one done, so we need to download again. Yes, and PNG, and go here. Which one? I'm working on which page 3. Done, and then after download it, because I did mine already, so I'm not going through in there. I'll just pick it up from my library. Okay, and now here. All right, so I'll pick it up here. Now we got it here transparent with a hole here. Now after we prepare this one, and now next we need to prepare this one first, and this logo you put in the middle, and then we need this line over here. All right, I will just copy paste the line here, and I will just put on top of here. Change the color, become white, guys, do not forget, and then turning become 45 degrees and a little bit extend. Okay, don't forget it's 45 degrees. Yeah, and make sure this one is covered, so the aim later on is just to pass this one above on this logo. All right, so I got here right now, and then after that copy paste and reduce the thicker, become a little bit thin. So now we got these two lines over here, so like these lines, right? So maybe a little bit. Okay, if you like to follow how thicker, and this one, the first one is 43, or maybe, yeah, 42, and this one is, I make it is 23. All right, once I get this one, I group it and copy paste, and I arrange here, yeah, on the top of this one, because our aim is to make animation on top of this. Okay, once we get this one until it get done, until full in here. All right, so this one we cover already. So the next one is we need to duplicate this page. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to duplicate this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so follow me, guys. Yeah, don't get confused with this. All right, so let's go over on here. So now the first page, we need to delete this one. Yeah, until here, delete. Oh, sorry, we need to delete this one and this one. Okay, we get the first line in here, and the second one, remember the first line we have already. Now we need to erase, and the last lines we need to erase, and this one. All right, so now we got 1, 2, and the third one. So now we need to erase this one. Okay, and this one we need to erase, and this one. We got 2, 1, and this one now. So we got 3. 1, 2, 3, and now 4, the last one. Okay, so we need to erase and do the same thing. Okay, now we got it here. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and I think they are extra in here. Yeah, this one we need to erase all. We need to erase all this one. Okay, so we'll leave here without lines, and then on the first one as well we need to give without line. Yeah, this one is no line in here. Okay, so without line, and first line, second line, third lines, and 4 lines, and without line. All right, so we need to prove it. Does it work? Okay, once we get these things done, yeah, in position, now we need to cover this all become with the hole that we use right now. Yeah, with this one, this transparent. I'll just copy paste this one and put on top of this, and make it bigger for a while, and I will just do exactly like, yes, exactly. So all we need to do, we need to change this color. Okay, we need to change the color become black. Just click on it and go to duotone and change the color become black. Okay, totally black. Okay, once done, just click on it, and after that you just copy paste on top of it, and this one 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 on top of it. So now we are done. So we need to see how the animation. So I'm going to erase this one first so that it will not disturb our animation. Last but not least, guys, so we would like to see the result of this animation. So to make it happen, we need to click this audio to have a button play. So I will click, and then we choose the randomly, and then we can see here appear play button. If you don't like to get the sound, you just sliding backward. Yeah, you can. Yeah, if you want to reduce the sound, or you can click this one to mute so that you will not hear the sound. All right, so now we can play. It's short animation, so I would like to check the time. So I set up here 0.2, so I would like to make it faster, 0.1, and let's play. All right, so I'm happy with this, and if you would like to make longer the animation, so we need to duplicate this old project. So I will just go to click grid views, and so that we can see the whole project, and Control A, and after that you can click these 3 dots over here as you can see on the screen, and then click duplicate pages, and then I would like to make more. So if you like to use the shortcut, you just Control A, and after that you can use Control D to duplicate. All right, so let's after this, let's play the result of the duplications. So as I mentioned before, that the more duplicate, so the longer the animation will stay. Let's play. All right, so see, it's the same result like on the, yeah, it's just the same. All right, so I'm happy with this, and I think I'm done. So if you think that that one is you are enough with that, so you can download, you can change the format become GIF. All right, guys, so thank you very much for your attention, and I hope after watching this tutorial you guys can make it. And if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to support. And if you don't like to get any notification, you don't have to subscribe. You just continue to watch and enjoy your creativity, and see you again to the next tutorial. Bye bye.